Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share some of my winnings from Decorate Your Life. I got a box of goodies. I was thinking I was just going to win some dies, and that was all that I was expecting was just dies. But oh my gosh, she sent a package of goodies. Look at this. So when I opened the box, I nearly screamed. But anyways, uh-oh, let me see if I can get that corrected a little bit. So anyways, this is what was in the box. I haven't really opened anything because I figured I wanted to open it on camera. So I did figure out how the card works. Um, this is a little dark. Let's see. Okay. So anyways, isn't this gorgeous? Look at this little gem here that she laid there, and some pearls there and there. And then this is like a curtain, and check this out. Oh my goodness, is that not the cutest thing? Take delight in the Lord, and He will give you the desires of your heart. Love this. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. And then in the inside, if I can get it open, she says, "Hi, Melissa. Congratulations on your win. I appreciate your love and support through the years. I hope that you enjoy the extra goodies. Hugs, Sandy." Um, and then it says, oh, it says, "P.S. The memory decks is just something pretty to have. No need to send me anything." Oh my gosh, it's just so cute. I love this. Okay, so anyways, let's jump into this package. Like I said, I was only expecting the dies, but look at this. I want to show you the memory decks because that was the only other thing I pulled out. So, anyways, look at this. So, this, if you, I don't have a spinning wheel, but if you had the wheel, you could just spin it just like that. It would just stay just like that from the top part. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. And I think this gem came off from over there, and I'll just put it back on. But oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love it. Today just feels good. Yes, it does. Oh my gosh. And this is like um, a clay piece, I think. Oh my gosh, just absolutely gorgeous. And that's a wooden embellishment there. Oh, good. Just beautiful. My gosh, would you look at that? Absolutely stunning, isn't it? Oh my gosh, I was not expecting this. Not in the least. Okay, let's dig a little further. Oh, and she made this beautiful little shaker. I want to say it's almost like a bookmark. Really, really pretty. I don't know if something may have fallen off there or not. I'm not for sure. So if we find something in the bag, we will add it onto there. All right, let's dig a little further. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, I'm so nervous. Okay, let me get this open so we can check this out. Here we go. Would you look at this? Okay. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Don't even know where to begin. I'm trying to open it already. I haven't really talked about it. Oh, look at these little dangle there. This bow with this pearl in the center, and she has it wrapped around this so that it stays there. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. Let me open this. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Fall is like my favorite season, so oh, these are gorgeous. And I think yeah, they're little note cards. Oh my gosh. Absolutely stunning. Thank you so much, Sandy. If you could see my smile, I'm smiling from ear to ear. Let's just leave that out. Look at these little books. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I was not expecting this. Look at that. All these cute little books. Decorated beautifully. Look at that. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So, so pretty. This envelope there. And I could stuff something down in there. Look at that. Oh, I hope everything was in frame because I wasn't even looking. I'm too busy looking myself. And I do not have one of these pins. Oh my gosh. This is my first. Oh my goodness. Absolutely stunning. Thank you so much. Okay. Let's get into the next thing here. Oops, here goes the bow. I think this goes on top of the, yes, it goes on top of here. And I will just pop that back on. So that's how that was supposed to look. There. All right, and let's, oops, I have the dies here. All right, give me a second. I'm going to show you this. Oh, nope, I'm going to show you the dies next. Because that is gorgeous. All right, so, all right, here goes this here. She got, put this with the topper there. And these, oops, let me get this open. Oh, it's starting to come out this side. Hold up. I'll show you these. Isn't this gorgeous? And she showed how these looked on the on her channel. So pretty. There goes that. And then she has some die cuts for me. And I do not have this topper either. Well, I do now. I have some die cuts. All right, there we go. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. So pretty. Look at these. These are gorgeous. Oops. These are some smaller ones too. Oh, so pretty. These are really nice. I'm trying to open them so you can see them. I can't get them open. I'm a little nervous. Why? I don't even know. There we go. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, so we got those. All right, and then let's get into this. Oh my goodness, isn't that gorgeous? That is amazing. Let me open this so we can get into this. Oh my goodness. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh my gosh. I love it. Decorate Your Life, created by Decorate Your Life. On the back, look at that. That is stunning. Okay, let's get into this. Oh my goodness. This is simply gorgeous. Look at this. All these little note cards. These are beautiful. Aren't they beautiful? Love it. These are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And then she also sent the envelopes for them. Let me show you these. Really nice envelopes as well. Thanks so much, Sandy. I really appreciate this. So if you don't know who Sandy is, I'm going to leave a link to her channel. Make sure you head over there and visit her channel. Thanks so much, you all, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.